A pawn. A character in a chess game that represents moving forward constantly. It is driven, it is determined, it is patient. I look up to this pawn and I look at it in the eye and I think, wow, you are very inspirational. This pawn is a strong, it's a male, it is strong. And like this pawn, I too aspire to be driven and continue to be determined to chase after my goals. This pawn does not give up. This pawn carries on. Now, you may ask, you may be sitting there wondering, why would you choose a pawn? Out of all the other props you could have chosen, you chose a pawn. I like to play chess. Chess is a fun game. Really, this pawn, throughout my times of playing chess, has taught me to always constantly stay driven and to be determined and to never give up and always move forward. Thank you.